Introduction. Sandy went to a fruit seller and asked for 1 kg of grapes. The fruit seller weighs the grapes on his weighing balance. The fruit seller has different weights with him. Let us learn more about the weight and its measurement. Objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to compare weights, measure weight using balance, measure mass, relation between kilogram and gram. Sandy has a pumpkin, a cabbage and a lemon. Can you tell which of the vegetables is lightest and can be lifted easily? Yes, lemon is lighter than other 2 vegetables. He can easily lift a lemon. Look at these vehicles parked in the parking bay. Which vehicle amongst them is the heaviest? Car is the heaviest vehicle. Motorbike is less heavy than the car, and the bicycle is the least heavy amongst all of them. Heavy, heavier, heaviest are used to describe weights. Or we can also use light, lighter, and lightest to describe weights. Have you seen this instrument? Yes, it is a pan balance. You may have seen it at a grocery store with vegetable sellers and fruit sellers. Now let us measure the weight of the pencil box and water bottle. Can you tell which is heavier? A pencil box or a water bottle? Yes, water bottle is heavier than pencil box. Which is heavier, a badminton racket or cricket bat? Yes, a cricket bat is heavier than a badminton racket. The weight of the different objects is given here. Click on the word that describes its weight correctly.
Read the question and click the correct answer.
2 children measure their weight. The weight of first child is 25 kilograms and the weight of the second child is 22 kilograms. It is right to say that the weight of first child is greater than the second one. The words kilogram and gram is used to express weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Kilogram is also represented as kg. Gram is also represented as g. When we go to fruit seller, he uses different types of weights to balance the required amount of objects. Some balances used to measure weight are 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 grams, 200 grams, 50 grams, 20 grams, 10 grams, and 5 grams. Match each of the following pictures with the correct weight of the object. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. It is easy to lift light objects as compared to heavy objects. Balance is used to measure the weight of objects. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams.